welcome to Gift Wrapping by Elaine. Today I want to show you how to make a nice little container for a very small gift. Let's get started. So I've got you can either use an empty toilet tissue tube or a kitchen roll tube, which really you should cut down a little bit or else it looks out of proportion. I'm using the kitchen one because it's a little bit bigger than the bathroom variety. Then you need some paper, and you need to cut your paper so that you've got enough to go all the way round your tube, and at this stage you need to have a couple of centimetres overlap and probably about a centimetre either side longer than your tube. So the first thing I'm going to do is fold in a little way on my piece of paper, just a small amount, and with a glue stick I'm just going to glue that down. My paper is curling because, as most of you know, I prefer to use paper off a roll because for one thing you don't get any creases. But actually, in this instance, it really does help. Take your tube and you want to spread, I'm just using a glue stick here, you want to spread some glue all the way around. You don't need to cover every centimetre, but you certainly need to get a fair amount on at the top and bottom. Okay, take the paper, take the end that you haven't folded and place that on the gift so that you've got an overlap both sides. Press it down, and then all I'm going to do is to roll the paper round the tube, and then when I get to the end where I've folded it, run a bit of glue down there, you get a very nice neat join and you don't see any cut edge because you've folded it in. So for the top and the bottom, take a small pair of scissors, and I'm cutting at about 1 centimetre intervals just around the top, and then spreading a little bit of glue round the top. Try and get some on the cardboard as well as on the paper. Can you see? And then you can just go round, it's very quick, pushing this paper against the tube. And because you have cut into the paper like this, it does bend round and you don't get any nasty corners sticking up because it will just tuck in and follow the shape of the tube. So you do both ends like this, push it in, and then you can see how easily we've covered it. So now we're going to glue one of the ends closed. You need to bend your tube like that, and then with a strong glue, or in this case a glue gun, put it on half of the tube and then stick it together. Now if you're not using a glue gun and you're using a different glue, fine, but it does need to be a strong one. And you can actually use some of these little bulldog clips, but I find just by holding it, it sticks straight away. Then you can put your little gift in. I've got a little pair of earrings here that didn't come in a box, So I'll slot them in. A little piece of ribbon to hang it with. Now this time we folded the tube that way at the bottom. This time we're going to fold the tube the opposite way. Can you see how we create this little shape? So fold it the other way, give it a good crease, and then, whoops, my glue stick's coming out. Again, put your glue on half, but just before you join it together, you need to insert your ribbon. Whoops, got more glue on me than the ribbon now. There we go. And just hold it together. And these are so cute. You can even hang them on the tree, or perhaps if you've got family coming for dinner and you've put a little extra surprise in, they would go for a placemat. Here's another couple I've done. Just make sure that your little hanger coordinates. Here I've put a little bit of trim on the bottom, but I think they are rather nice and very different. If you've enjoyed this video, please click like and also subscribe. Thank you.